Yeah, viewers, I'm going to try and do an accuracy test and test of this SD. This is actually privately owned. No company name or anything on it. Meter number 741. Three-phase SD. Interesting. Not a two-phase one. 3 times 15, 60 amp. 3 times 240 volt. 4 wire, 50 hertz or 50 cycles. 3 phase, 88.8 meters per kilowatt hour. Yeah, this does polyphase, I think. Direct polyphase meters. I think it's 2 phase only, I'm not sure. Follow single phase induction type meter instruction through to step 6. Okay. Connect all 3 test set neutral leads together using neutral coupling block and connect lead from block to meter neutral. Alright, I got the coupling block, I have to make one. Red leads to red, white lead to white and blue phase meter active terminals. Okay. So they're going to go on our 3 phases. But there's supposed to be a neutral block somewhere that this will get its neutral from, apparently. Connect a couple of test sets keyboard outlets together using 3-phase keyboard. Okay, I don't think I have one for the yeah, I mustn't have the 3-phase add-on bit for this test unit. I haven't got a 3-phase one for 3-phase meters. I think I could do the 3-phase ones using the old method. Okay. It appears this was privately owned. There's no seals on it either. Oh, let's give this a bit of a clean up. I'm going to open it up and have a look inside. Get a whiff of that vintage meter smell in there. Have a good look inside this more modern SD I mean. Just clean up a bit to make a dust in there. Let's have a look inside before we test it. Smell that. Ah, that smells good. Low profile horseshoe magnets in there. They're not as deep, but they go all the way down here. They go right down like that on the BAZs. But these ones are short little ones. Slim horseshoe shaped brake magnets. It's got those little things here for the phases. They get warm. I think they're little elements. It's like a transformer winding. And they're like little resistive elements of some sort. They do a creep, I think. And the bottom, we've got little marks on the disc, little dots, and 63 written on it. Interesting. 88.8. That's the verse per kilowatt hour. It's all bolted together. .8, a bit of dust in there actually, got to clean out. 422/43 inspected 12. Good quality stuff. You can see a bit of wear on those gears, the marks on them. They've done some work. I give it a shake upside down to get the dust out of it. That is quality. The potential coils. Direct wide. Nice chunky copper there. Powder on the magnets. Interesting. You see it's scraping. That's scraping on the top of the wheel. It's been moved upside down in transportation when it was removed. Anyway, we'll put it back together and give it a test. Okay, finally remembered how to wire the 3-phase meters up. I forgot to put the current wire in. I had load going on this one, but no load on this one. Forgot about the current wire on the 3-phase meters. Anyway, I get the clamp meter out. Now these are both 60 amp meters, so we did run and test at 60 amps. My meter ready. Right, the 0 potential transformer on, or the isolation transformer. Load it up, both going. 48. 50 amps to be safe. We're running at 50 amps, eh? Pretty good, nothing's getting too warm. This is 88.8 revs per kilowatt hour, this is 66.6 revs per kilowatt hour. The door's reflecting in the background, it's going to be hard to see the other one. You can't already see that disc there, it's hard to see. It's going slower. Halfway through, halfway through. Now 1/10, like this is easy to go by. This one's a bit different, so you have to have 1/10 between there and there. 1/10 between there and there, and yep, it's keeping up. Yeah, it is too. That one had a bit of leeway on it, so it's pretty good. And my green wire, whew, smoking my green wire there, I'm going to have to change that. They're okay. But my little flimsy green wire I've got, my flimsy green wire I've salvaged off an old caravan chassis, doesn't like it. She's smoking. Alright, turn it down. That was at 230 volts on the Variac. Turn that down. Unplug safety first. As you can see, the test was a success. The only weak part, I suppose it's good in the way because it protects the meters from being overloaded and burnt out, is this green wire decided to smoke up. So, it's the wire itself can take the current, because this modern TPS cable can handle the head a bit, but this really old earth wire from there's another caravan a bit older than this one, probably 65 model. It was pretty run down, and I ended up stripping that down, and that's the earth wire out of it. That green wire, and that's here. Not designed for high temperature rating, that insulation, so whew, she got smoky. But both meters are neck and neck all the way. Whew, smelly wire. But that meter kept up pretty well, that meter, so that meter's accurate. Anyway, let the smoke clear out. I'm going to put a fan in there, I think, or one of those roof vents. Be a good idea. Taking a while for that smell to clear out. Whew. Anyway, let's get that meter nice and cleaned up and ready for the next one. Bit of a gentle overgoing with a little scour. Gentle scrub to get all the paint blotchings off. It's a damp scour and a buff for the dry cloth, and it's came up quite well. An old Bakelite smell. I like Raymond, the Radiator 2007's idea of using black boot polish and some transformer oil. Gets these things shined right up. A bit of scuffs there. Couldn't really see at the time in the shed. You can see I've chipped a bit of the Bakelite here with a screwdriver. I must have missed and got the angle trying to get the screws aligned, and I chipped the Bakelite. But it's interesting, this was privately owned. It just says property off, nothing. There you are. Anyway, that one is all tested and accurate. I quite like these SDs. The brake magnets just gives it that character. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.